Hello and welcome back for another episode of Kajabi in 5 minutes. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about the Creator Studio, which is a really cool feature that Kajabi brought into its product suite in 2024, I think. And it lets you repurpose your content for all sorts of different things. So, first of all, it uses videos that are within Kajabi. So, if you have a course or if you've got videos somewhere else in Kajabi, then you can access those videos right through the Creator Studio, or you can upload content directly into it. And when you do that, it gives you all sorts of options. I think there's like 40 different types of things that you can do with that content. It ranges from like making videos out of it, generating video titles, transcripts, STR files, which is really great if an STR file is what you make closed caption with. So if you want to add closed caption to the videos in your courses, then you can go into the Creator Studio, access your video that you've uploaded into your course product, and make a project out of that video, and then generate an STR file, and then take that file back into the course area and upload it into that video's CC or closed caption so that closed caption can be on that video. But it does so much more than that. You can make social media stuff. So you can generate Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, renditions or posts, I guess, from that content. It generates hashtags. It can create email content, a whole slew of different types of emails. It can do blog stuff and community stuff. You can make summaries of the videos, and you can even, this is kind of neat, if you make a video that's just kind of talking about your course, about your ideas, maybe kind of like a sales video or something, then you can put it in here and it can create course outlines and lesson descriptions and things like that. So it's pretty cool. And also like website stuff. It's got prompts, I guess, to generate all sorts of different kind of content. So, with your course, a cool thing is lesson descriptions. So once you've got your lesson there, all of your videos are there already in your course. You come into the Creator Studio, you open those videos up as projects. Each video takes a new project. And then you can create lesson descriptions. So then you can copy that and go and paste it into the course so that there's a description there underneath your video. So all sorts of cool stuff like that. And if you're using it for like a video editor, making YouTube shorts or reels or TikTok videos from your video content that's in your course, it loads up. It does it in a super cool way. It loads up a side by side, and it has a transcript on the one side with time segments, and you can just click on sentences or select text even, and then that chunk of text and associated video goes on to the other side, and so you can see how it like compiles, and it just stitches it together really nicely. So you click on a few really powerful points of your video, and then it just makes a video of those things that you can share. And then you can use the rest of it for generating the titles and descriptions and hashtags and all those things. It's a pretty cool tool. And so everyone who has Kajabi gets the Creator Studio as a free plan, which lets you make one project per month. And within that project, you can generate unlimited types of content with the 40 or so different options that you have. You can subscribe to a basic studio plan that gives you 4 video projects per month, and you can go to a premium plan that gives you 30 videos per month. And so that is kind of your options there, and it's pretty neat. And if you go into the premium plan, then you also get 6 months free access to Adobe Express Premium, which you can use for further editing tools and enhancements. And so that's pretty neat. Now, The Creator Studio is there for you. You will at least get one video, so you may as well go check it out and see if it'll be a help. And that's what I've got for you today.